Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to redeem bonus code in BC Game. Well, the first thing I want you to do is make sure you're logged into BC Game. As you can see right here, I'm actually logged in to my account. And to actually access bonuses, what you need to do is come in the left-hand panel, scroll down until you see bonus with this gift icon. I want you to click on it. And then here at the top right, you see this? It says redeem your bonus here. So you need to paste in your bonus code. You can come to Google and you'll actually find a lot of bonus codes just by searching it up. Just make sure you get the latest ones. So you just copy the bonus code, okay? You come here, just paste it in. Then all you have to do is click on redeem code. It's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.